Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 3 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Create, Edit and Save Document. Let us start with practical significance. Creating document for different purposes such as creating notes, reports, statements and applying desktop publishing features involve different kinds of skills in creating, editing and formatting text matter in various ways. This practical is useful for developing necessary skills and is also helpful to use computers for all sort of electronic documentation. The relevant course outcome is to prepare business document using word processing tools. After performing this practical, you will be able to create, edit and save documents. To perform this practical, you require skills like creating, editing and saving documents by composing the matter as per given specification. Also, you have to apply formatting features at text level, line level and at paragraph level. Let us discuss some theory behind this practical. Word processing tools are used to create, edit and save text files. There are different word processing tools are available. These tools provide features of creating text file. You can edit already existing file. Also you can print the file. It can be also used to create tables and add certain graphics in these files. To perform this practical, you require resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration and Office software package. You can use OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such software. The procedure to perform this practical is first we have to create and save the document. To create a new document, use relevant tools from menu or use shortcut key to perform following task. You can type 15 to 20 lines of some useful text matter, then apply the formatting features on a given piece of text, line or paragraph. Then go to relevant menu and change font face, size, color and also apply effects like bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript, use case changing option. Go to relevant option to preview a document to know how it will appear on paper when printed. Then you can save a document. To save the document, choose Save As option. Now choose the location of file to be saved, that is either drive and the folder. Once chosen, give the file name in file name box and then set the file type in Save As type box. Now press Save button to save the document. Third, you can edit a document. To edit a document, again open the already existing document and apply the formatting features on given piece of text, line or paragraph. In this practical, you have to perform the exercise like create a file with arbitrary name, write your name and basic information about yourself in it and save it on desktop. Also, you have to open a file which is created in first question, delete some information and write word count details from available menu or different options. You have to solve the practical related questions answer. The first question is explain the difference between paste and paste special. Then explain the difference between save and save as. And third question is what will happen if you apply format painter tools to a part of document. So this is all about practical number 3. Thank you for watching.